everybody, welcome to another video. Oh my God.
Look.
I'm trying to see if the cat's eating a watermelon.
Yeah, watermelon. Look.
Oh. No, she didn't eat it.
Come here, look. Come here.
They say cat ate watermelon. We're making that.
Come here.
If you're not, oh, I'm sad. If you're locally not gonna eat a watermelon, that's a good watermelon. She like, nope. Why should we do that like pretend this is her head?
Kitty.
Why is the cat not doing it?
Come here. I don't know if she doesn't want to eat watermelon. She probably doesn't know.
She probably don't know it's a watermelon. We never gave her any food at all. No, we never gave her the watermelon food. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
We do give her food. We're good people. Okay, testing out if cats eat watermelon.
They do. Remember that dude I saw you?
Yeah, but it was a white cat. No, I was so scared. I don't want to give him to my son. White. Like, she didn't. The kid don't like watermelon. I'm gonna post a video. Do cats like watermelon?
Yes.
Not. So it failed. It was you.
Wait, what the heck?
What?
Is that a kitty?
What?
What is that kitty doing?
Oh, can we touch it?
What is this kitty doing, bro?
Wait.
Is it
Wait.
Is that? What the heck, bro?
I'm sorry, guys. I don't keep you updated.
What is this?
I'm gonna keep you updated now. Is it dog?
She's sick.
Why?
Look at her.
Wait. I need a better angle to show the viewers.
Look at this hair.
God bless the cat. Please, God need to bless the cat. We need to bless the cat who died.